Welcome back, everybody. We're hanging out with the one and only Kate Hudson right here. Now, we're about to play a new game called Sound Effect Charades. All right, so this is just like charades, except we can't move our bodies or make gestures to give clues. We can only make sounds.
So excited.
All right, no words.
Okay.
No words, no singing, no, just sounds.
Okay.
Ready to play?
I guess.
Yeah. Sorry, did I make it too serious?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna go first. Let's get 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go.
You go
Sound effects
first.
charades. I'll go first. Ready?
Wait, what are the rules? I'm just kidding.
All right, it's a movie.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Lion. You're a lion, no? Oh. Like Lilo and Stitch?
No. Hey,
What is this?
Don't make me do it again.
What is it? Can't you try something else?
No, I can't. I don't understand. All right. Of course, Jurassic Park. Oh, man, I'm gonna be bad at this. I'm gonna be bad at this. I only saw the first one.
No, maybe
It's
I'm
okay. Maybe I
awful
missed it.
at guessing.
Ooh, that maybe. I broke a sweat
Okay,
on that
my
one.
turn?
Okay, yeah.
All right.
All
Oh,
right, here we
my
go. We got
gosh.
this, but we got this. You can tell me the. You can tell me the
Okay.
genre.
Okay.
What's the genre?
I don't know how to. Okay.
Is it a movie?
It's a TV show.
TV show. I love TV.
Okay.
Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Heated rivalry.
Woo! Yes!
That's mental. Come on. That's
You just
fantastic.
you just read my mind.
Wow,
You
I
didn't
really
read
did.
the
No, I
sound.
didn't even read the sound. I jumped in your brain. That was fantastic. Heated rivalry. All right, here we go.
Okay.
All right. Oh, it's a
Sorry, that was
movie.
good. Yeah. Michael Jackson.
Yes. We're getting better. We're getting better.
We're getting into this.
Better than my Jurassic Park. Okay, sorry. Okay.
Oh no. Movie.
Movie. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Arr. Arr.
Pirates of the Caribbean. I like your pirate. All right, here we go.
I feel like Heated Rivalry and The Pirate were kind of the same.
There's different,
It's like a pirate
different
rivalry.
exhaling, yes. All right, this is a movie.
Okay. You're in character. You're depressed?
Yo, hey.
Oh, no, that's not a sound. That's.
Oh, no. Oh, ready? Ready? I got it. Movie.
Okay. I mean, Fast and Furious?
Yes! Come on! I'm trying to think of a Vin Diesel.
I was like, Rambo?
Trying to think of Vin Diesel. I couldn't do Vin Diesel's voice. I was trying to grunt. Like I do a Vin Diesel grunt.
I thought it was Sly.
No,
Stallone.
oh, it could be Slice. Interesting.
Oh, hard.
Ooh,
TV show.
okay.
Boop, 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 boop.
ER? The Pit.
Oh, yes!
Who's better than you?
I could do that
That
all
was really
night.
good. That's a fun game.
This is a fun game.
Oh, you know what that sound means? It's
I
time
don't.
For the... No one does. No one does.
No
For the
idea.
first time we played this game, so no one does. It means it's time for the final round. And for this round, we're gonna raise the stakes. I'll be giving all of the clues. What? And you'll be guessing. If you can guess 5 correctly, the entire audience goes home with a pint of Ben & Jerry's Tonight Dough ice cream. Ben & Jerry Tonight Dough ice cream. The best ice cream in the business.
Oh, yum.
Yes, the best ice cream. All right, all you need is 5.
So I need 5. All right, I'm gonna work hard for this.
You need 5 or else
get it.
200 people are gonna be really
I know,
mad. All right,
sorry.
we got this, bud.
Okay, we do.
Ready?
We do. I got it. I'm in.
Let's go.
Locked in.
For all people.
Star Wars. Oh, the Minions. Oh, God. Oh, I don't know this movie.
You can pass.
Pass.
All right.
I need my time back. Oh, it's Arnold.
Yes, yes.
Elvis.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Tarzan.
Yes.
Ray Romano.
Yes. Oh my God. That's it. We got 5. We got 5. That's it. You did it. Everyone's going home with Tonight Show. I'm Kate. Kate Hudson. Running Point is streaming now on Netflix. We'll be right back, everybody.